In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. First of all, go into Devices settings and scroll to click on Sounds and Vibration. Now let's start from the top. You can hit Vibrate here to mute your device fully, leaving only vibrations, or select Sound on the left, and this way get access to Vibrate when ringing option that can be managed thanks to this switcher right next to it. So turn it on or switch it off if you want to enable haptic feedback for your incoming calls with a sound. Now with all of that done, you can scroll and tap on Cool Vibration section. Pick one of those vibration patterns for your incoming calls, or select Silent at the top. You can do exactly the same for your notifications by tapping on a notification vibration and adjusting it here. Now when you're done with those two sections, tap on Vibration Intensity to adjust intensity of haptic feedback for system events by operating this slider. And my personal favorite, System Vibration, because over here you can also adjust the same intensity, but you can also tap on all of those switches next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!